Hi Paradise family, I'm here with Dr. David Hartman from Fine Arts Skin and Laser in Dover, Ohio. And earlier this morning we energized this 57.6 kW ballast mount system up on the roof. And actually we're not going to throw a switch, it's already running. We're just excited and wanted to share a little bit of this with you. They're nice and warm, they're working hard today, it's a bright sunny day. So I just want to congratulate David and the staff here in going solar, and certainly wish them many years of success with this. David, anything to say?
Well, we're just really excited. We have this whole day going on. Our lights, our lasers, our heat, our air conditioning, and it's absolutely, completely carbon free.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. It actually, if we were to show, that meter is actually going backwards. We're producing clean energy going back into the grid for the businesses around us, in fact, today.
Our arrow is pointing off to the left, and that means we're reversing the meter and actually be an exporter of power today. Congratulations.
Wow, love it.